In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown to card. If you've been looking to add a countdown timer to your card site, you've come to the right place. Today we'll walk you through each step so you can easily integrate this feature and make your site even more dynamic. First, let's start by heading over to card.co. Once you're on the site, you'll need to open the page you wish to edit. Card is quite user-friendly, allowing you to access and modify your selected site with a few simple clicks. Once you're looking at your site's main page, you'll want to direct your attention to the icon for adding new elements. The next step involves clicking on the plus sign, which lets you select new components to add to your site. This will open up a menu of various elements that you can incorporate. From here, select the timer option. It's a straightforward choice that will begin your journey toward adding the countdown. After selecting timer, you'll need to define the type of timer you want. In our case, we're focusing on the countdown option. This is a great way to build excitement or anticipation for a specific event or launch on your site. Once you've chosen the countdown type, it's time to fine-tune the details of your countdown. Setting the countdown details is critical. You'll want to choose the exact date and time when you want your countdown to end. This could be a significant event such as a product launch or a special offer expiry. Having a clear end time ensures that your audience is precisely informed about your timeline. It's equally important to select the correct time zone for your countdown. Time zones can often be overlooked, but getting this right ensures that everyone, regardless of their location, is on the same page about when your countdown hits 0. Make sure to confirm the time zone that aligns with your event's target audience. Now, there's also an optional feature called the completion URL. This can be incredibly useful if you'd like to redirect visitors to a specific page once the countdown concludes. If you have a landing page or an offer that you'd like people to see immediately after the timer ends, you'll definitely want to enable this option and input the appropriate URL. Once the functional aspects are set, it's time to focus on the aesthetics. Customizing the style of your countdown can make it stand out and match your site's overall design. Adjust the style, font, size, and color to ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand's look and feel. Lastly, when you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, click the Done button. This saves your changes and makes the countdown live on your site. Congratulations! You've successfully added a countdown to your card site. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that your new countdown feature enhances your site's effectiveness.